Check out which companies are making headlines before the bell. General Electric, GE reported adjusted third-quarter profit of 29 cents per share, missing estimates by 20 cents a share. GE also cut its full-year outlook to $1.05 to $1.10 per share, versus consensus estimates of $1.53. Chief Executive Officer John Flannery called it a very challenging quarter, which comes ahead of Flannery's planned November the strategic update. Procter & Gamble, the consumer products giant, beat estimates by 1 cent a share, with adjusted quarterly profit of $1.09 per share. Revenue was slightly below forecasts. PG said it was able to dare organic sales growth in a decelerating global market. Honeywell matched forecasts with quarterly profit of $1.75 per share, while revenue was above street forecasts. Honeywell's results were helped by growth in its aerospace and warehouse automation units. SunTrust Banks, the bank reported quarterly profit of $1.06 per share, 1 cent above estimates, with revenue also beating forecasts. SunTrust's results were aided by higher net interest income. PayPal, the payments company, beat estimates by 3 cents with adjusted quarterly profit of 46 cents per share. Revenue beat estimates as well, with PayPal's results helped by mobile payments which more than doubled compared to a year earlier. Athena Health reported adjusted quarterly profit of 56 cents per share, 6 cents a share above estimates. The provider of healthcare software saw revenue miss street forecasts. The company also said it would cut about 9% of its workforce, a move that would save up to $115 million by the end of next year. Intuitive Surgical, the company came in 19 cents a share above estimates, with quarterly earnings of $2.18 per share. The surgical products maker's revenue also comfortably exceeded street forecasts. The earnings beat came on the strength of an increase in shipments of the company's flagship Da Vinci robotic surgical systems. NCR reported adjusted quarterly profit of 93 cents per share, 3 cents a share above estimates. The payment processing company saw revenue miss forecasts, however, and it gave weaker than expected current quarter guidance. NCR said orders for its automated teller machines have been impacted by delays in spending from large customers, among other factors. Skechers beat consensus street forecasts by 16 cents a share, with quarterly earnings of 59 cents per share. The footwear retailer's revenue also came in above forecasts and set a record on the strength of the company's international wholesale business, as well as a 4.4% increase in comparable store sales. Celgene discontinued a trial for an experimental drug to treat Crohn's disease. The company did not identify any safety concerns, and analysts say the decision likely came because of a lack of efficacy. Intercontinental Hotels, the hotel operator, said Hurricanes Harvey and Irma impacted its U.S. revenue during its latest quarter, with revenue per available room in its Americas business up just 0.8%. That compares to an increase of 1.9% in the same period a year ago for the company behind Crowne Plaza, Holiday Inn, and other hotel brands. Boeing is on the verge of winning a $13.8 billion jet order from Singapore Airlines, which said it would finalize the 39-jet order next week. Axon said its financial reports are under review by the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). The maker of taser stun guns said the SEC is reviewing its 2016 report, as well as its quarterly filing for the quarter ending this past March 31. 3 letters have been sent to the company, and the most recent said that the company had not yet provided a substantive response. Automatic data processing. ADP was urged by activist investor Bill Ackman to buy rival payroll processor Ceridian, calling it a move that would allow ADP to attract more customers with a better product. Trade reported quarterly profit of 49 cents per share, short of the 51 cent a share consensus estimate. Revenue for the online brokerage firm was roughly in line with street forecasts. Separately, Trade is buying technical support firm Trust Company of America for $275 million. MGM Resorts, the hotel and resort operator's stock was added to the conviction buy list at Goldman Sachs in a valuation call. Bank of New York Mellon was removed from Goldman's conviction buy list, though it remains buy-rated. Goldman cited uncertainty about the bank's strategic plan ahead of its Investor Day, which is not scheduled to take place until March 8.